Detecting toggle of the day, December the 6th, 2024, 7:54, about 14 degrees. She's cold out here. Calabash Digger did a live stream last night. Probably his best live stream he's ever done. I want you all to understand something. There's a lot of moving parts when you're doing them live streams. There were loads of comments in that live stream. Calabash had a pretty good command of the facts surrounding that detector based on his use and testing thus far. So you got to keep your train of thought. You got to make sense. You got to tell the truth, and you got to read those comments. It's easy to get sidetracked. Anybody that's getting that Vortex, you need to go watch that live stream. I think it would be beneficial to you. I don't own the Vortex, and I probably never will. Practicality of using that metal detector, and this goes for really any metal detector. You know, we're in the year 2024. That machine only has one slot, I guess, to save settings. So Garrett, if you watch this video, you need to have that machine save its settings at turn off. That way you would have effectively two slots. Everybody takes breaks metal detecting occasionally. So if you turn a machine off to conserve battery power, and you turn a machine back on for a break, you're right back to where you started. You go back to swinging a call. Maybe you want to re-ground balance the machine, but that would be it. Your notch, the way you've got that machine set up, would all remain intact. Your notch screen on that detector, Garrett, needs to be fixed. You need a reference point for people. You could actually know the value of a target that machine gives, but you can't look at the screen and go in there and notch it out. That's the silliest thing I've ever seen. Maybe the only detector that's ever been set up like this. I don't know. External speaker engagement, disengagement while a user is using wireless headphones. Garrett, if you can make that machine do that with a hotkey or a quick menu setting, meaning a person can be out detecting, locate a target, and decide they want to show a video to their viewing audience via YouTube, etc. They can engage, drop the headphones around their neck, engage the external speaker, do the video, disengage the speaker, and proceed with normal programming when it comes to detecting in the wild using the wireless headphones. You know, I'm the one brought this up some months ago as it applies to a lot of detectors, and some of the manufacturers has done this very thing with their models. It only makes sense if it can be done. So you detector manufacturers out there that are engineering, designing detectors, you need to give this some thought. Make sure you can do this with your software update when you're designing, engineering your machines. It helps when you have a test a detector that is running models from other manufacturers. Don't it? Because you get to see what their machines offer, what they have, how they work, the navigation, the whole 9 yards. You can't come off of an AT Pro or an AT Max or both and run a Vortex. You have tunnel vision. You're comparing that machine to the AT Pro and the AT Max. That's not good enough. You'll always come up short. That particular tester is in the don't know category in all likelihood, okay? Unlike the old sharpshooter that has run multiple models, testing multiple models. So you testers out there testing metal detectors, you need to put your thinking caps on. When you're using that detector, you think about what you're having to do to locate a target, to video a target, to turn the machine off, turn the machine back on, and setting that detector up. What is cumbersome about it? Is there something that can be done better? Sometimes you can get in a trap. You keep doing the same thing over and over again, and you don't think, well, wait a minute, why do I have to keep doing this? What if I did it this way? All of those little seconds that you can save out metal detecting adds up. And you do have competitors out there that, you know, it's a competitive market. A feature on one machine may drive them to buy it versus another. It's possible. All right? So like I said, Calabash did a very good live stream last night. We should have already seen something from an actual tester pre-release of the Vortex. They seem to be MIA though, don't they? There's no talk of water integrity by these pre-release testers. Now, Garrett, if you're watching this video, what you need to do is, can a person right now that is a Vortex VX9 owner, can they register on your site, get a password, and can they go in there and re-update with the current only, I guess, one software version available? Can they do their machine? Yes or no? In this update process, how come we haven't seen a video on this? Of course, if somebody like Calabash can do what I just said, he could show us a video, couldn't he? So is your site ready, Garrett, for somebody to go in and basically rewrite the current software available back over what's in a VX9 upon delivery today? So Iffy Signals and Calabash both have done some good work with this detector. They're Team Garrett, in my opinion. I don't know about the rest. And this also goes for the people that have supplied supplemental data to Iffy Signals and Calabash's videos. Those are people are Team Garrett. I don't know about the rest. Anyway, that's going to conclude the video. Everybody stay warm out there.